Hello everyone, I ordered from Queen & Company the Bring On Spring kit, and I just wanted to do a quick share on it, kind of go through it and see what you get in the kit. I definitely have more hauls coming up from Queen & Company, so stay tuned for that. I'm really loving all their products, and so let's get started. So this one is called Bring On Spring. You get a 6x6 paper pad, you get a 4x6 clear stamp set, 18 steel dies, 24 foam acetate shakers, and 9 sample toppings. This is some of the acetate for all the little shakers that you received. And then here are some of the pearls that you get. Really fun. Here are the dies, so adorable. And then you even get the grass. I did not know that. That is awesome. I'm so excited to try these bunnies. And get the beautiful eggs here, and the carrot, and then the tulip here. And then you get the chick, and then a little basket that you can add eggs in the basket. And then this goes for the handle to the basket. Isn't that adorable? You get a ton of dies in this one. I love that. Now this kit was on sale, and I'll link it down below. I think it's still on sale, but I have not checked. So if you're interested. And then it comes with all of the foam for the shakers, and I think you get 2 of each. Maybe you get 3 of each, even better. So you get 3 of this one, and then just making sure here, and then yes, you get 3 of this one, and then you get this really beautiful 6x6 matte stack, and it says Bring On Spring, and some fun double-sided colors. Really pretty. And then you also get this sheet that kind of shares with you how to make the shakers, and has examples. And then this is just everything that comes in the kit, and then all the cute cards that they made with them. So really cute. So again, I will have that link in the description box below. If you would like to go and check out this kit, stay tuned for more Queen & Company products and hauls. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!